Recently, there were two comparable home sales in Raleigh that sold within 90 days of one another, but one seller walked with $82,000 more than the other. You've likely heard the debate that it's better to list your home under market value in order to attract more buyers to start a bidding war. But take a look at this. The two comparable homes that sold for $82,000 apart, the one was listed for $450,000 and the other was listed at $350,000. It might seem obvious in this case the higher list price sold for more, but would it surprise you that comparables with higher list prices tend to sell for more? If you want to get a higher net takeaway and stay in control of your timeline, stay tuned for this video where you can become a better negotiator and develop your market strategy to be among the top sales in your neighborhood. Hey everybody, I'm John Gallagher and I'm a broker here in Raleigh with Keller Williams. Click to our website where it takes less than 35 seconds to start a consultation to discuss your specific situation. Now on to the tips to help you price your home right. Like we mentioned at the beginning, the data shows in this market a higher list price tends to result in a higher sale price. We analyzed 7 different subdivisions that all contained very similar sales of homes, and every time the highest list price home was either the number 1 or number 2 highest sale in their respective neighborhood. But how do you figure out the right list price for your specific home to attract the highest pool of quality buyer? Well, step 1 is strive to organize at least 3 recently closed comparable home sales that closed within 90 days. The details on how you compare your home to another home are on screen for you right now. As you go through the process, follow the same rules for any pending sales that you find and watch out for their closing date because they might end up being a good comp as well. If you're lucky, you can find 3 good comps and that should give you the range of value that your home falls in. We suggest pricing your home 1% above the average of the top comparable home. Chances are you love your home, and those features that you love may be exactly what buyers are presently paying a premium for. But to make certain, we walk you through analyzing comparable homes to see which ones buyers are paying the higher premiums for versus what the lower sold homes do not have. This will provide you certainty as to how and why people are paying higher premiums for in your neighborhood. We recommend making what we call 2-for-1 repairs. So you get $2 for every dollar you invest. This will help you justify listing at the higher price so you get the buyers that are paying the premium prices. We cover that in detail in our video on listing errors to avoid. You can see that by clicking the card in the corner. It can be very challenging to find 3 good comparable homes. For example, if you have a 2-car garage and your comps are great, except they all have 1-car garages, then you have to get creative. One option is you may evaluate a similar neighborhood that's a little further away where there are a lot of sales of homes with both 2-car and 1-car garages. This way, you can estimate the difference in value between a 2-car garage versus a 1-car garage. Now, there are other approaches that also work that I'd be happy to discuss with you, so click in the description to our website and hit Get Started to start simplifying pricing your home to attract the best buyer for you. Now to review our plan. One of the key points we want to emphasize is buyer's perception. We believe perception is critical and you shouldn't be hesitant to list your home for more because the data shows that in this hot market, you'll win by asking for more. Get your list of 3 comparable homes. Now the rules are back on screen for how you evaluate comparable homes. Then price 1% above the higher range because as we pointed out, the data shows a higher list price makes your home look more attractive than your neighbors because buyer's perception is that if you are asking for more, it must be worth more. It's a hot seller's market, so you have a negotiating advantage. Are you still watching? Here's a pro tip for staying this long. Make sure you check concessions on sold homes because that reduces the seller net and the figure you should be basing your comp's value on. And if you're ready to start simplifying your home move, take less than 35 seconds on our website and hit Get Started. Thanks for watching and get ready to buy or sell your home here in Raleigh like a pro.